Human coronaviruses cause infections of the nose, throat, and lungs. They are most commonly spread from an infected person through respiratory droplets generated when you cough or sneeze, close prolonged personal contact such as touching or shaking hands, touching something with the virus on it, then touching your mouth, nose, or eyes before washing your hands. Current evidence suggests person-to-person spread of COVID-19 is efficient when there is close contact, which makes physical distancing an important prevention measure. Respiratory droplets of relevant size can travel a few feet before falling to the ground or evaporating, so the 2-meter physical distancing rule is based on this. Proper hand washing, cough hygiene, and cleaning with an appropriate disinfectant are also key to limiting virus transmission. Those who are infected with COVID-19 may have little to no symptoms. You may not know you have symptoms of COVID-19 because they are similar to a cold or flu. Symptoms include cough, fever, and difficulty breathing. Symptoms may take up to 14 days to appear after exposure to COVID-19. Recent evidence indicates that the virus can be transmitted to others from someone who is infected but not showing symptoms. This includes people who are pre-symptomatic, meaning people who have not yet developed symptoms, as well as people who are asymptomatic, meaning people who have never developed symptoms.